Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to block all adult websites on Microsoft Edge browser. Edge browser comes with built-in family filter that blocks access to all adult pornographic and explicit sites. It also blocks proxy and VPN domains that could be bypassed these filters. To enable this one filter, first open Edge browser and then click on this one triple dots menu in the top right corner. In the drop down menu, select settings. Under Edge settings, select this one privacy search and services. In the left sidebar on the right, scroll down to find this one option. Use secure DNS to specify how to look up the network address for websites. Just turn on this one toggle switch in case it is turned off. After that, choose this one second option. Choose a service provider. Then click on this one enter custom provider box, and here you will find this one option clean browsing family filter. Select this one option. Now close the browser and open this one browser again to start filtering all the adult websites on your Edge browser. That's all about this video. Bye.